Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ambassador Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, parking on site, non-smoking rooms, restaurant, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Ambassador Hotel, a short distance from downtown Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and located near Marquette University, this restored boutique Art Deco hotel offers elegant accommodations, state-of-the-art amenities and free shuttle service to popular attractions. The Ambassador Hotel is situated close to a number of area points of interest, including the Bradley Center, home to professional basketball Bucks. The Milwaukee Public Museum, the Art Museum and the Downtown Convention Center are also easily accessible with nearby I-94. A variety of thoughtful amenities are available at the Ambassador, including free Wi-Fi internet access, state-of-the-art fitness facilities and on-site dining options. Guests can also enjoy spacious guest rooms furnished with flat-screen TVs and ample workspace. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.